So, let's get some of our exponent laws here. So, okay, exponents are the things that are the most difficult for high school students because everything's backwards. So 4 to the 4th times 4 cubed. Luke, I'm not gonna make you do the final answer right now. I'm gonna ask you to tell me an expanded form what 4 to the 4 means. An expanded form.
4 times 4 times 4 times 4.
Great, wonderful.
Times 4 times 4 times 4.
Great. Now, this is the way the exponent rule works. Okay? Emily, how many 4s do we have altogether there?
7.
Good. Okay. Good. So I can write that as 4 to the 7, and we just learned a power rule. So I don't have to do this every time. So this is called the addition rule, or multiplication law. The multiplication law says to multiply powers with the same base, add the exponents. And the general rule for that is a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. Okay, so if the bases are the same, both bases are a's, the exponents, you're just going to add the exponents. This should be coming back for some people that open on screen, I think, a little bit. If not, that's okay, that's why you're in class. Okay, let's do a few examples to make sure all is well. Okay, example 1, I think, right? All right. Now, in this class, when I see this on your first quiz or test or mini test, I don't want somebody to say, well, that's equal to 2,467. Okay, I want you to leave an exponential form. Okay, so, Jasmine, you can be brave, please. 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 6, what do we do for that? Good, so it's going to be what?
2 to the power 6.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, there are 3 here together. That's x squared, x cubed, x to the 8th. Alistair, I'd like you to be brave and tell me what that's going to turn into, please. How'd you get that? Very good. Okay, so that was, I'll write that out there. So 2 plus 3 plus 8 equals 2 to the 13th. Oops, x is 13. Okay, the exponent rules that we're going to deal with, you can have variables, you can have, as long as the bases are the same, it doesn't have to be letters or numbers or whatever. Who feels excellent exponents and wants to do the most difficult question of the day? Aiden, you're going to be the brave person, not this Aiden who's not here today. That Aiden at the back. And everyone's going to try this question. Aiden's going to show you the answer in about 30 seconds. Right, Aiden? A lot of pressure.
I'm sure about that.
Okay, so everyone take a second. So that says 2 cubed, x to the 4th, 3 to the 5, 2 to the 4, x to the 7th, 3 to the 6th. Now, Aiden has broad shoulders, so he's decided to take on this challenge for himself. Now, do not be intimidated, okay? Hold on a second, Aiden. I'm going to give everyone else 30 seconds to write the question down. There's a slight challenge here. Okay, Aiden, I'm going to count to 10 in my head, and then you're going to give the answer as quietly as you can. And instead of waiting for Aiden, I would like you to try yourself too, because you guys will be forced to do this yourself. And Aiden isn't always right; he's just right 99% of the time. All right, Aiden, be brave. What is it?
2 to the 7.
Yeah. Good. Okay, I'm going to show you how he got that. I'm going to show you how he got that. He did 2 cubed, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 5, 3 to the 6, x 6 to the 4x to the 7. Can somebody be brave and tell me what I actually did there? Why that's sort of beneficial? Yeah, sorry, Derek, right? Derek? Yeah, it's just like collecting like terms, right? The 2's go together, the 3's and sort of the x's. Are 2 and 3 the same base? No, they're both numbers, okay? There will be someone in this class, let's call him Aiden, sorry I didn't do this, Aiden. They'll tell me the answer's like 6 to the something. Because even though they're both numbers, you can't combine them like that, okay? So then what Aiden did correctly, mind you, he just did 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 6 is 11, and 4 plus 7 is also 11. That's wicked cool, awesome. You don't mind me saying so. Okay, now please be brave. If you're saying to yourself, my name's not Aiden, I didn't get that answer, ask if there's a question here, okay? And again, I always do this middle step, right, just to make sure that I have things grouped properly, all right? We're good? A little bit? This is always the most difficult thing for students, because it's counterintuitive. Like, it's counterintuitive, because you're adding when you're really multiplying. It's weird, right? I have no idea, just so people get mixed up on this. We're good? He's arguing, okay, I'm gonna keep going. Okay. All right, Jessica, I'd like you to be brave, please, and tell me what 6 to the 5 means in expanded form. You would, but you're giving away my thunder. Yes, you subtract the exponents, okay? But this is why you subtract the exponents, okay? When you're dividing things, you just cancel them out, okay? So I have 5 6's on the top, 3 on the bottom. This 6 will cancel with this 6 will cancel with this 6 will cancel with this 6, and you're left with 2 6's. So there, that's my division law. It's going to be to divide powers with the same base. Subtract the exponents. And if I do a to the b over a to the c equals a to the b. C. Okay, this is the one that half of you will screw up on the first. Sorry, I said that. This is the one that half of you will not earn the full marks that you could on your first test or whatever, assignment or whatever. Okay, so I'll show you what's going to happen. Here's example 2. Somebody in the class is going to tell me the answer to this. Okay. Can somebody tell me what the correct answer is? That's going to be no on this here. No, what's 2 to the 8 divided by 2 to the 4 going to equal? 2 to the 4, okay? Because what he did correctly is he did 8 minus 4. Can somebody guess what students do on their assignments and tests? I don't know. They always do 8 divided by 4. Because like you're dividing, but you're really subtracting. So it's something that's commonly made from a mistake, right? You're subtracting exponents. This is going to be 2 to the 4. I'm going to pause in the video and stop. I'd like you guys to do this question for me. I'd like you to do that question for me while I pause in the video. If you're saying, how do I do that question? What you do is you forget about the denominator. Simplify the numerator first, like we did in the last question. When you get the results, then do the denominator. I'm going to pause this video and reset it, and you guys get a minute to do the question, and we'll take it out.